So starting on Tuesday, we started with making the dough and the filling. Students made the dough by scratch. It was an egg dough. Then they had to let that rest overnight, and then they got the choice of a cheese filling or a meat filling. And then the next day they came here and used our amazing pasta machines. Each kitchen has their own pasta machine. We took turns rolling it out. They had about 4 sheets of dough. We filled it, bagged it, and then today, the last day, they cooked it, made the sauce, and seemed like everyone enjoyed themselves. It was a good experience.
Working together with other people is definitely like a big thing, and like learning to come together in groups.
And also like how to persevere, because the first time I rolled the dough, because we had to make the dough from scratch and then let it cool in the fridge overnight and then roll it out, it didn't really go as well as it did, like was supposed to on the first time. So then we persevered and problem solved and did it again.
And how did it taste?
Want to go first?
My garlic bread was really salty, but the pasta was overall really good. And the texture of the meat inside that we made wasn't the best, but it was still good.
Ours could have been better. It was really like mushy, but I think it was all right. The garlic bread was really good though. But I mean, the sauce was good, but yeah.
This lab is like one of my favorite labs because I think before this class, students really don't appreciate food until they see all the work that goes into making everything, especially from scratch. So I hope that in the end, after this class, when they go to restaurants or just home cooking, they can appreciate it some more.